Hello everyone, I am from team Resolvex and I would like to explain the features of our web application Suraksha, which is a water supply monitoring application. Before knowing the features of our app, I would like to share a case study which involves Ramapuram village. The water pump runs every morning in this village, but the villagers often say there is no water today or it smells strange. So, despite of many complaints received by the officials, they never took action. The quality is never checked. One time there is a leak in the pipeline which went unnoticed for 3 weeks, which emptied the tank daily and led to severe water loss. And due to bad condition of water, it led to many diseases. So, in order to solve such problems, we would like to propose our web application Jal Suraksha as a solution. So our app consists of dual interfaces, citizen and official. So coming to the citizen interface, we can log in with name, mobile number, village ID. Once we log in, we can see this dashboard on the screen, and here we can submit a complaint depending on the issue. Here are the different types of issue we can select. So let me select pipe leakage, and let me and here we can describe the issue in our own words. So this is automatically fetched location via GPS. So I can submit the complaint. Once I submitted the complaint, I can see the status of the complaint in this interface, and I can submit the report of the water from here. I can submit the report. So I can, the water is clear, smell, no smell, sweet, etc. When I submit this complaint, submit this report, I can also see the report in this interface. And this is the pump schedule for my area, 6 to 8 and evening 6 to 8. So this is the citizen interface, and here we can change a language depending on our local area, Telugu, Hindi and English. So that's all for the citizen interface. Now coming to the official interface, an official can log in by entering the name and mobile number, but here he required access code in order to log in. So currently the access code is Resolvex. So in order for an official to log in, he required access code. Once he entered the access code, he can log in. So once we log in via official, we can see the dashboard of official. We can see the overview of complaints and issues resolved today, and the number of pumps which are active, and also the coverage of water pumps, like up to certain area where water is received. So here is the complaint interface. We can notice all the complaints which are received in our locality, and here I can change the progress of our complaints, like I can keep in progress whether they are resolved. So this is the complaints interface in official dashboard. Coming to the pump schedule, I can change the schedule of the water pump depending upon the management. Like sometimes there might be any issue with the pump, there might be leakage, so I can change the timings. Here there is maintenance. Here I can see the system, I like water pressure, pump efficiency and quality of water, and I can schedule replacement, pump motor cycle, etc. This is the maintenance checklist. So this is the report. Here we can see the trend, all every whole trend here. Here we also implemented artificial intelligence in order to maintain the reports and analytics. So this is the official dashboard. Thanks for listening to features of our demo. Since 80% of households in India now have access to piped drinking water under the Jal Jeevan mission, our app would be a great solution in order to resolve the water issues.